Dear students, in this video we will work out one more problems related to Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Okay, this is the problem. So calculate coefficient of correlation between expenditure on advertisement, which is denoted by X, and sales denoted by Y of a product. See, in this axis it is given like advertisement. So here we have 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, and in the y-axis it is 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20. So the frequency is given. So tell 10 to 12, where the advertisement expenditure is 50 to 60 is 80. So similarly the other frequencies are given. So now with this we have to find out the correlation coefficient. So this is the group data for which we have to calculate the correlation coefficient. Okay, now let us do that. So first we'll write x-axis and y. So before that the formula. So this is the formula we are supposed to use. N into summation f dx dy minus summation f dx into summation f dy whole divided by square root of n into summation f dx square minus summation f dx whole square into square root of n into f summation f dy square minus summation f dy whole square. Okay, so now we need dx, we need dy, we need f dx, we need f dy, we need to calculate summation of f dx, summation of f dy, and meanwhile we need to calculate even summation f dx square and summation f dy square, and at the end we need summation f dx dy. For that we have to calculate f dx into f dy. Okay, now let us start doing the solution. Okay, we have written the x part and y part. So here it is 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90 and 90, 100. And here also 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18 and 18 to 20. So first in this problem, first we have to arrange them in this way. See, look at here. Here we have to later we have to take the mid value. So for that we have to keep separate space for that. So now I am calculating the mid value. Look at the mid value here. 50 to 60 is 55, 60 to 70 65, 70 to 80 80 75, 85 and 95. Similarly here also the y side. So I'll be calculating the mid value 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. So if it is clear to you, 10 and 12, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to find out the dx. So for that, this is the formula. Dx is equal to x minus, x means the values of x series, minus 75. Look at here, these we have 5 values. Among these 5 values, so here 5 classes. So the middle one, in the sense this is middle one, so I have taken this as assumed mean. So now how do you find out dx? X into x minus assumed mean divided by the frequency. Okay, class interval, sorry, the class interval. The class interval is 10, 50 to 60, minus 60 minus 50, 10. So I did it. So class interval it is 10. So that I got the dx value. So look at your dx value. Okay, here say for example 75, 55 minus 75. So minus 20 divided by 10 is equal to minus 2. Similarly 65 minus 75 divided by 10. So I got minus 1. So this is 0, and here it is 85 minus 75 plus 10 divided by plus 10 is equal to 1, and here it is 95 minus 75 divided by 10, so it is plus 2. Similarly, let us find out dy also. So okay, for that the formula is this: y minus 15. Look at here, this is the mid value among the 5 classes. Here this is the mid value, and the class interval is 2 here, 10 to 12. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. You have to be very careful here. So now I did it. So for example here 15 minus 11, sorry, 11 minus 15, how much we have? See, this is the value. So 4 we are getting. 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, hope it is clear to you. So 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4 divided by 2, class interval 2, and next one is minus 13 minus 15, sorry, 13 minus 15, so minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1. Similarly here it is 15 minus 15, 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0 only. So next one, 17 minus 15, so answer is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So similarly we did it for the other one. Okay, so now we got this. Now let us write the frequencies which was shown in the table. So for example, in the first row we have 8 and 4, second row here 2, 10 and 3, and next we have 8, 25 and 7. This is have copied the table as it is, which is there in the previous page. So 6, 10 and 4, and last one. Okay, here see, here it is nil. We have to assume, you have to take it as 0 here. So here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 0, and these places it is 0. Only in this diagonal line we have the values here: 8, 4, 10, 8, 3, 25 and 6, and 7, 10 and 6, and 4 and 7. Now let us find out the sum of these frequencies. So for example, 8 plus 4, 12, and here it is 10 plus 2, 12 plus 3, 15. So let us do that total. Okay, I think it is clear to you. This total, 8 plus 4, 10 plus 2 plus 3, 15, 25 plus 8, 23, 33 plus 7, 40, 16 plus 4, 20, and 6 plus 7, 13. So similarly we take the frequency of even dx here. So look at the dx frequency. So here 8 plus 10, 10, 4 plus 10, 8, and 10 plus 4, 14, plus 8, 22, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 3, 34, 10 plus 7, 17 plus 6, 23, 7 plus 4, 11. So when you add this total, it should be 100, and here also this should be, the total should be 100. Okay, fine. I think it is clear to you. Now what we can do is we can calculate, see, we have the dx, we have the f here, we can find out the next one is f dx. F is this, be careful, this is f and this is dx. So f dx, 10 into 2 is equal to minus 20, because 10 into minus 2. So here 22 into minus 1, minus 22, 34 into 0, 0, 23 plus 1, 23, 23 into plus 1, sorry, and 11 into plus 2, 22. Similarly we calculate, next one we can take up f dx square. So now we have to square this, dx square into 10. For example, first one, 10 into 2 square, how much? 40. Okay, we'll do that. So here we have calculated the square, 2 into 2, 4, plus 4 into 10, 40, plus 1 into 22, plus 22, here it is 0, here 1 into 1, 23, 23, so 2 square, 4, 4 into 11, 44. Similarly, now let us go to calculate f dy, f into frequency, here it is a frequency, into dy. Okay, we'll do that. So see, 12 into 2, minus 2, so it is minus 24, 15 into minus 1, minus 15, 0 into 40 into 0, 0, and 20 into plus 1, 20, 13 into plus 2, 36, sorry, 26. Okay, now let us calculate, so while after doing this, see, for example, f dx, we got the sum of this. So I've added them, 23 plus 22 is equal to 45, minus 22 minus 20, the answer is plus 3. Similarly, this total, 20, 40 plus 22, 66, 66, 44, 66, 44, 110, 110, 11, 23. So here it is, see, 20 plus 23, it is 129. I'll repeat, 40 plus 22, 62, 62 plus 4, 66, 66, 106 plus 23, 129. Similarly here, see, minus 24, minus 15, 0, 20, 26, 46 minus, here it is 39, 39. So I got the value 7, plus 7. Okay, fine. So now let us calculate f dy square. So this is a f dy square. So how do I do? 2 square into 12, 14, 48, 12 into 4, and then 15 into 1 square, 15, 0, 40 into 0 square, 0, 20 into 1 square, 20, 13 into 2 square, so it is 52. 4 into 13. Yes, okay, now we got this. Now at the end we are supposed to calculate summation, sorry, f dx into dy, dx into dy. So here dx into dy, when we do that, so this cannot be taken because frequency here, this is the total frequency, and here also it is the total frequency. So now we have to go cell wise. So what we have to do is, for each cell we have to find out the f dx dy, dx into dy. Okay, fine. So add into the frequency. See, this is dx, this is dy, and this is f. Okay, dx into dy into frequency. I'll do the first one. Okay, for example, dx minus 2 into dy minus 2, 4 into 8 plus 8, so 32. So look at here, 32. I got 32. Hope you understood. 2 into 2 plus 4 into 8, so 32. Okay, now I'll go to the next one. Okay, now minus 1 into minus 2, so plus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now next one, 0 into minus 2, 0 into 0, here also it is 0, so we got 0. Next one, plus 1 into minus 2, so the answer is minus 1 into 0, it is 0. So when this is a blank, it's very simple. These cells are going to have 0 values. Okay, fine. So I'll do that. So now we'll move on to the second column. Okay, now minus 2 into minus 1, answer is plus 2. Plus 2 into 4, 8. Look at here. Then minus into minus, plus 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Next one, 8. Okay, since we are 0, they should be 0 because 8 into 0, 0, 0 into 8, 1, 0 into minus 1, answer is 0. Okay, next cell has 0, so therefore the value should be 0 only, and even the last cell. Okay, fine. Now we'll move on to the next cell. Again, next column. Next column, the first value frequency itself is 0, so therefore the answer should be 0. And next one, next frequency. See, here also there is a value, but here dx is 0. So when one value is multiplied with the remaining two values, the answer should be 0. So therefore this cell, throughout all the cells of this column, is going to have 0 values. Okay, look at here. Hope you understood. I'll just explain one of them. See, 25 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. So answer is 0. So this column is very simple to fill. This column and this row. Here it is 0, 1 dy is 0. Here it is dx is 0. So it's very simple to fill this column and this row. It should be always 0. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next 85th column. Okay, 85th in the sense 85th mid value. So the first cell is 0. So because frequency is 0, second cell frequency is 0, therefore the value is 0. Dx dy, f dx dy should be 0. Here, now look at here. Here it should be 0 because here it is 0. Dy is 0. 0, 0 into 7, 0. 0 into 1, 0 it should be. Now we'll move on to the next one. Plus 1 into plus 1. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. Okay, now 6 into 1. 6 into 2, so it is 12. Okay, fine. Now we'll move on to the last last column. Okay, these three cells are going to have 0 values because their frequency is 0. Very simple to fill. Okay, now look at here. Plus 2 into plus 1. So answer is plus 2. Plus 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Okay, now 2 plus 2 into plus 2, answer is 4 into 7, 28. Yes. Okay, now I got the cell wise dx into dy, f dx into y, f dx into dy, f into dx into dy. Okay, fine. Now let us find out the sum of them. Okay, so we will do that. Okay, so you have to add these totals, and similarly row wise, column wise, you have to find out the total. I'm doing it. See, row wise I am doing it here. 32 plus 38 is equal to 40. Hope you got this value. Now 10 plus 4, 14. I got the value here. Now 0. This cell, this column should be, this row should be 0 because all the corner values are 0. Then the next one, 6 plus 10, 16. Sorry, this one, sorry, here 10 plus 8, 18, and last one 12 plus 28, it is 40. Okay, now we'll move on to find out, see, we got f dx into dy this side. So similarly we can find out the same f dx dy here also. We'll do that. See, 32 plus 4, 36, 10 plus 8, 18, then here it is 0, then here it is 10 plus 12, yes, 22, 28 plus 8, 36. Hope you got it. Okay, now you add, you find out the sum of f dx dy. This is 112, and here also the total should be 112 only, because they are same. Here also it is summation of f dx dy, here also it is summation of f dx dy. So therefore see through that, like these values are same. Suppose if one side in one total, if it is wrong, then it's very clear that you have made a mistake here while doing the calculation. So with this we got the values here for all the required items in the formula. Say for example, we have f dx, summation f dx, summation f dy, we have summation f dy square, f dx square, summation f dx dy, everything is there. So we'll move on to the formula, we'll apply the formula and get. So this is the formula, so I am not going to repeat it. All the inputs are there in the previous slide, so we'll directly apply them. So n is equal to 100, because that sum, frequency sum, the total of the frequency 100 into 112, f dx dy 112 minus 3, that is summation f dx 3, summation f dy 7. So divided by 100, n into 129, 129 is what? Summation f dx square minus 3 square, what is 3? F dx into square root of 100 into 135 minus 7, what is 7? F dy, okay, f dy square, so it is 7 square. Okay, next step, so we will get the value. So 100 into 112 minus 3 into 7 is equal to 11,179 divided by 100 into 129 is equal to 20,900, 3 square is equal to 9 into square root of 100 into 135 is equal to 13,500 minus 7 square is equal to 49. So next step, so here it is 11,179 divided by square root of, okay, 12,900 minus 9 is equal to 12,891. Similarly, square root of 13,500 minus 49 is equal to 13,451. Next step, so here 11,179 divided by the square root of this into the square root of this is will get the value of 13,168.20. So therefore R is equal to 0.85. With this, I think it's clear to you how to calculate the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation for the group data. It's very important from the point of your examination. So you try to work out some more problems. So with that, you would be comfortable. It's very easy actually. You feel so comfortable to work out this problem. Thank you.